how to dropship from Temu to TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing how you will be able to use Temu as a source of product for your TikTok Shop. Now, to be able to connect these two platforms together, you would need to use a third-party platform. As of now, there's no direct method or there's no existing method where you could just press in TikTok Shop or in Temu to just connect them automatically. And so we will be doing a lot of work for us to be able to do this, and there's two main ways for us to do this. The first method is going and using TikTok's apps and services over here. Now, this does not count as an inbuilt or built-in feature where you could just connect to Temu, because it is going to just show us external apps as well that we will be able to use to connect to Temu and other existing platforms as well, which I will show you in a bit. And the next method is through Shopify, which is a great platform to connect different platforms together and to integrate different sections or different platforms such as TikTok Shop, Temu, there's AliExpress, Alibaba, and many more. So Shopify can be a really great middleman for a lot of this transaction or product modification or product in itself. And over here in TikTok Shop, let's show you the first method, which is going through the apps and services over here on the left side. So look over here on the left side, you have apps and services, select that, and you have the App Store over here. Simply open this, which will basically open apps or show us apps that are currently directly connected or currently integrated with TikTok Shop. And over here on the left side, most section, you will be able to see the categories like e-commerce management, merchandising, shipping and fulfillment, and customer service over here. And you have your popular platforms so that it will help you select specific sections or help you filter out different platforms that you want. And over here, there will be some platforms that could allow us to connect to Temu. So simply search for Temu over here, and it will show you different apps that are able to connect to Temu. And you could just explore any of them. For example, the Xiaomi over here. This app will basically allow you to help integrate and import different products and connect it and manage it inside of TikTok Shop and their platform as well. You will be able to scrape, copy listing, upload products, and all of those things. And each app over here has different methods of doing that. And you could try this out if you want. But for those who don't want to use the App Store in TikTok, don't worry, because we also have a Shopify over here which we will be able to use. Now in Shopify, there are two main things that you need to do. We're going to need to connect our TikTok Shop with our Shopify so that any products or any product listed in our product list, we will be able to have it will automatically be transported into our TikTok Shop over here. So, let me set up my Shopify over here for a bit. Okay, so now we're back in our Shopify over here. What you're going to do, like I explained earlier, we're going to connect our TikTok and Shopify first. So look over here on the left side, you have our different features and tool. Look over here at the bottom part, we have apps. Simply select that, and you will see this drop down on our search bar. Simply select all recommended apps. Now in this page, scroll down to the bottom and click on Shopify App Store. Now in this page, we will be able to look through all the different apps that are actually built for Shopify to improve its features. So later on, if you want to use Shopify as your management for your business, because you could do that, you could manage your TikTok Shop through Shopify. You could install different types of apps over here to improve your management, and it depends on how you want to approach this. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for TikTok, specifically TikTok Shop if you want to filter it down even more. And over here, the app that we are looking for is called QuickSync, this app over here. Simply open this, and this is the app that you would need to install. Now, this app costs $19 per month, and there is a free trial, so you guys could test it out first. But this app basically allows us to, as you can see, instantly sync inventory for both sides. So whatever product that exists in our product list will always exist in our TikTok shop. So they will sync together. So if you have new products in TikTok shop, it would appear in Shopify. If you have new products in Shopify, it will appear in TikTok shop. So that's why I mentioned earlier, you can utilize Shopify as your business management center. And aside from that, you will be able to fulfill, as you can see, fulfill TikTok orders, import and export, all of those things. So you will be able to use it together. The next app that you would need to install is Temu. Now, over here, we have an app called Cartify. Similarly, with the other app, you will be able to install this with a price of $9.95 per month. There is a free trial if you want to try, and you will be able to import products, as you can see here, through URL. You will be able to use product search and all of those things, and you will be able to import from Temu specifically, as you can see, but you are also able to import from AliExpress, Amazon, and Shein. And what this will be able to do is you will be able to get products from Temu. For example, this one, you're simply going to get the URL of this, and you're going to paste it inside of their app, and you will be able to import it into your product list over here. And when that happens, the TikTok QuickSync app will recognize that newly added product, and it will add it into our TikTok shop. So it will basically jump from TikTok or from Temu over here to our Cartify into the other app, the one that I mentioned, the QuickSync app. Will pass through that, and then later on pass through the TikTok shop. So it will pass through a total of 2 different apps. We have Shopify as our main one, but you will be able to connect Temu and TikTok shop together. You will be able to get any product that you want from Temu into your TikTok shop, although you have to invest a bit for the different apps. But I believe you will be able to get that money back fairly easily, because in TikTok, it's very easy to get a lot of sales because of the amount of traffic, the amount of people that are currently using TikTok. Having advertisement or promotion for your specific product can be easy and can be easily managed, especially with affiliate over here, affiliate marketing feature existing as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.